Viral TikTok foods are literally the biggest scam ever. These were so painful to make. Now I know what you're thinking, they don't look bad and they actually didn't taste bad either, but trust me, this was a disaster. Also, watch this video at your own risk because so many things were going wrong. So to make chocolate strawberry clusters, you need some strawberries, and to that you add in some Greek yogurt. I added in around 4 or 5 tablespoons, and then you want to drizzle on some honey. I know what you're thinking, why the hell is there honey in a crappy CC bottle? We actually got this from Pakistan. It was raw organic honey and it tasted amazing. I wasn't really sure on how to make these, so I got some cupcake cases, and there you go, the disaster starts. I mean, maybe it's my fault because in all of the videos I've seen, no one actually uses cupcake cases, and I guess there's a reason why. So yeah, anyway, I filled those in and froze them, and in the meantime I melted in my milk chocolate. Strawberry clusters froze for around 3 hours before I decided to take them out, and literally disaster number 2 is about to happen. I don't know what was going on, like maybe they were just like not rock solid frozen, but yeah, it didn't work and this ended up happening to my chocolate. There is no way I am ever letting chocolate go to waste. So yeah, I made myself some Dubai chocolate in a bowl. I don't even know if that's a thing. It is now. So anyway, I then let them sit overnight and disaster number 3 happens. Paper cases are stuck to the strawberry clusters. I should have seen this coming. The good news, however, is that they did come off very easily and the strawberry clusters were actually looking very pretty. I love the shape and they had like that nice kind of pink color as well that you're looking for. I was not gonna make the same mistake again, so I got myself a tray and some baking paper. I melted in some more chocolate and started to dip again. So the first strawberry cluster actually came out very cute. I was super impressed. Like, that's what I'm talking about. That's how it should be. But anyway, after a while, the same thing started to happen again. I don't know if it's like the yogurt. It just freezes up the chocolate. It ruins the consistency and the texture. So yeah, I guess you just have to work very fast when it comes to these. I dipped in the remaining strawberry clusters. So the good news is that I did get to cover all of them in chocolate. So nothing did go to waste. Look at the last strawberry cluster. Like, what is going on there? Oh yeah, and I made some more Dubai chocolate bowl, and then it was time to cut into these. They actually didn't taste bad. I mean, it was actually it is exactly the same as true fruit. If you've had true fruit and you like true fruit, you will actually enjoy these. I was literally getting brain freeze because it was so cold. What the hell? But yeah, if you decide to make these, proceed at your own risk.